Synapses transmit information from one neuron to another. In doing so, they will act as junctions. So the main objective of this video is to describe the functions that synapses perform. Synapses will perform three main roles. First, they will ensure that the impulses are unidirectional, so cannot be accidentally reversed. In addition, synapses will allow one neuron to transmit an impulse to multiple other neurons at the synapse. This will create multiple simultaneous responses. In other words, a single impulse along one neuron will initiate new impulses in a number of different neurons that are found at the synapse. And finally, multiple neurons may be fed into one synapse. This will cause multiple stimuli to be communicated together in order to elicit one unified response. To better understand the function of the synapse, let's understand the sequence of events that happen at the synapse. First, the chemical or the neurotransmitter will be made only in the presynaptic neuron and not in the postsynaptic neuron. This neurotransmitter will be stored at the synaptic vesicles. When an action potential reaches the synaptic knob at the membranes of these vesicles, they will fuse with the presynaptic membrane in order to release the neurotransmitter. Then, when the neurotransmitters are released, they will diffuse across the synaptic cleft in order to bind to their specific receptor proteins that are found only on the postsynaptic neuron. Finally, the neurotransmitters will bind with the receptor proteins, and this will lead to a new action potential in the postsynaptic neuron. And it's important to mention that synapses that produce new action potentials in this way are called excitatory synapses. However, some synapses make it less likely that a new action potential will be created on the postsynaptic neuron. These are called inhibitory synapses.